So as you guys know, Apple is about to drop the brand new iOS 19 or 26, who knows? There's a lot of rumors going on right now, and I ain't gonna lie to you, today is June the 8th. I was waiting and waiting and waiting, but WWDC is literally tomorrow, June the 9th, and they got a couple good things I think that we're gonna get, but I wanna talk to you guys about them right now just to figure out, what do you guys think about it? So I got my iPad right here as well, just because I just want to take some notes and everything just to make sure. But so it looks like that what iOS is going to be doing, they're going to be taking the same exact user interface that comes from the Vision OS. So if anybody has it, or if you guys watch videos, Vision OS has like a nice translucent feeling to it. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I hope that we do get it, because that's going to make the iPhone look so much better, especially with Apple dropping brand new, the new 16 Pro Max with the increasement of the size of the screen. The phone just looks straight crazy good in the natural titanium. I got this desert titanium one, but I ain't gonna lie to you, when the iPhone 17 come out, I'm probably gonna get the natural titanium, unless they got something else that just look fire. That's one thing right there. I really, like I said, I really can't wait to see if they're gonna drop it or not. But basically with Vision OS, we're gonna be getting like glass like elements, meaning as in everything is just gonna look crispy. Something like that. It's going to look futuristic in my personal opinion, but like I said, I think that the user interface for iOS devices is straight going to look phenomenal. Now hopefully when iPad OS comes out as well, hopefully they'll do iPad OS 9. I don't know what Apple beef is with the number 9. It makes literally no sense at all, but I'm just like, you know, it is what it is. Now, the second thing I do want to talk to you guys about too is going to be Siri. I don't know who all uses Siri still, but me personally, me and Siri got like a little love-hate relationship. You listen when you want to listen to things that you're not supposed to listen to. But when I call you, you know where to be found. It's crazy work. I ain't gonna lie to you. But anyway, so they're probably doing Siri 2.0. That's probably gonna be pretty decent as well, just because it's now gonna be backfired by AI, I believe so. It's gonna be getting a little bit more personal, it says. So once again, you know, Siri wanna listen when it wanna listen. It may be a little freaky. It is what it is. But anyway, moving on from that as well. The last thing I guess I got on here is pretty much, that's it. Those are really the only two rumors that I personally like. I ain't gonna lie to you, just because we're pretty confident that tomorrow what they're gonna do is end up, you know, announcing something more about AirPods. That's pretty much it. So let me know what you guys think about those two rumors I do have for you guys in regards to iOS 19 or iOS 26. We'll catch you guys in the next one.